Namaskar. This is Devjani Roy Choudhury from New Jersey. I am Kathak student of Pandit Satyanarayan Charkaji from New York and Guru Sandeep Malik ji from Kolkata. I run a Kathak school, Tarana Dance Academy, here in New Jersey under the guidance of Guru Sandeep Malik ji. I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to Sarbhabharatiya Sangeet ও Sanskrit Parishad of Kolkata for inviting me in this session today. Today, 5th September, Teachers' Day. A very special day for all students. It brings so many nostalgic memories from our childhood days. My pranam to my parents, to my grandparents, and my school, college, university teachers, and my dance gurus. I am greatly indebted to my parents and to all my teachers who have showed me the path to become the person I am today. I feel honored to be associated with Sarbhabharatiya Sangeet ও Sanskrit Parishad of Kolkata. They set our Kathak syllabus. They conduct yearly Kathak exams, provide certificates, and our students are very happy and they feel encouraged with this smooth exam process. So, thank you Shantanuda and Shendukta Kaku for all your help throughout the year. Pranam Nived. I am still learning Kathak and I would like to take this opportunity to give a tribute to my teachers on this Teachers' Day by sharing my journey with you all, by sharing the contributions of my gurus in my life, and I will be showing few Kathak pieces that I have learned from both of my Gurujis. I am going to start with a brief background of myself. My Guru Pandit Satyanarayan Charkaji and most of our students here are non-Bengali. So I will be speaking in English so they can get engaged with us. I wanted to learn dance from my childhood. I was born and raised in Kolkata. So people here used to tell me that oh, so you are Bengali, so you have learned dance and music from your childhood. No, not all Bengali people sing and dance from their childhood. Well, I mean, yeah, most of them do, but I didn't. But for that, I don't have any regret. As a child, I could not stand at one place. My feet used to move a lot. So I kind of knew that one day I would get the chance, the opportunity to learn dance. And ultimately, Kathak pulled me into her arms. You may find my story an interesting one, as it is little unusual to pursue two very different time-consuming involvements in parallel. I am an IT professional. I work as Oracle Database Administrator. But by heart, by passion, I am a Kathak dancer. We came to this country almost 17-18 years back, and like many other Indian young couples, first few years just went in settling down in a new place with a new job, raising our son, and I was also doing MS in computer science, and I started my IT career as a consultant, so it was a little unstable in the beginning. And then I got the permanent job after getting the green card. And guess what? The first thing that I after getting the permanent job here, I joined a Kathak school in our neighborhood. I was super excited to see that I would be a dancer within 3-4 years. Yes, I thought so. At that time, I got my reality check. I was almost 30-year-old and without doing any form of exercise. So you can imagine my fitness level. I saw Kathak in TV shows, in movies, but never realized that it is a subject. It is a vast subject that we need to learn thoroughly. It is a step-by-step process and takes many years to learn it, to understand it. So basically I found that it is completely different than what I originally thought. First of all, my struggle started with my fitness level, and then I faced another challenge in finding time for my practice with my job, with my baby and other household chores. That time our son was like a toddler, so a lot of work was there, and it was a big issue to manage time for my daily dance practice, getting time for my dance class after the office. It happened, many times it happened that I used to get late in office for some extra work, and as a result I missed my dance classes. So first 2 years just went like that, and I was not able to cope up with this very rigid Kathak curriculum. At one point of time, I thought that I had to give up dance. And as a result, my childhood dream would never become a reality. I realized that I did not learn much in these 2 years. No, actually I should not say that I did not learn much. I learned a lot, but I did not get time to practice. I could not grasp all those learning. So I was thinking to give up dance, and then call it destiny. I met my guru Pandit Satyanarayan Charkaji in New York. I saw his most beautiful, very famous Kathak dance drama, Ramayana, in Metropolitan Museum of New York. And then I saw his Krishna Lila, another beautiful Kathak production, Shakuntala, and many other beautiful dance performances by his students. That affected me a lot. I was very much motivated with Guruji's flexible timing, very effective Kathak curriculum, Kathak course. So I joined his class and I started again. And not just dance, I learned so many other important things, values of life from Guruji. Since he is involved with Ananda Ashram Yoga Society of New York, I learned the importance of yoga in classical dance, especially for a person like me who did not dance before in her childhood. I learned a lot from his simple lifestyle. I learned how much passionate a person can be about art, how much hardship a person can take for art. Guruji said so many things to me that had me thinking ever since. He showed me a path that changed completely my outlook towards the dance. And I started to realize how art can be intrinsically related to life. And I understood that how life can enjoy a special bond with art when it simmers in this vastness of, in this vast world of dance, music, literature, poetry. So I just started dance just as a hobby, but then it became my way of life. Since we used to visit Ananda Ashram a lot, my husband and my son also got motivated too. We learned a disciplined lifestyle where time management became a lot easier than before. We joined gym, changed our diet pattern, learned yoga. So basically got a brand new lifestyle, a very healthy lifestyle because of dance. I completed my graduation in Kathak under the tutelage of Guru Satyanarayan Chalkaji. Then another chapter of my Kathak learning experience started. I joined Guru Sandeep Mallikji's class for advanced studies with the permission of Chalkaji. Guru Sandeep Mallikji comes here often, two to three times per year, and we take regular online classes, me and our students here, and he is constantly working with us to improve our dance. His new style and his graphical analysis, geometrical analysis of body posture, of hand movements helped us a lot to understand this whole structure. I got inspired to learn his new style and all other developments that are happening in Kolkata in India. So I joined him almost 3 years back, and I'm grateful to Guru Sandeep Mallikji for accepting me as one of his students. And since then, with both of my Guruji's blessings, I'm continuing my journey in this Kathak world. Today, me and my son would like to show few pieces of Kathak and Tabla. My son learns Tabla from Sri Aniruddha Mukherjee ji. First, I will be starting with the Shiva Vandana, a beautiful music by Pandit Birju Maharaj ji. I have learned this from my Guru Satyanarayan Chalkaji. This piece is very close to my heart, as this was my first piece that I learned from him. So please give me a few minutes. I will set up here and I will start soon. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Swagni Chaudhary and I have been learning tabla for almost 10 years. On this Teacher's Day, I would like to express my gratitude to my teacher Sri Aniruddha Mukherjee for all that he has taught me. Over the years, he's taught me so many things with the true intent of seeing me grow. He's always given me the extra time to show me some special technique or clear up a confusion of some kind. I first gained interest in tabla at the age of 7 when I saw Pandit Bikram Ghosh playing at an NABC concert in Atlantic City. Through tabla, I learned about the concept of riyaz, or practice. As I grew up, riyaz not only applied to my tabla, but also other parts of my life, such as my hobbies and my studies. Growing up in America has made my tabla experience very unique. What made it different was that it allowed me to stay connected to my Indian roots, despite the fact that most of my friends were immersed in Western classical instruments. I'm very excited to present to you a few compositions taught to me by Sri Aniruddha Mukherjee. I will start with a Peshkar, then a Kaida, and I'll finish with a Rela. I hope you enjoy. Next, I will be playing a Kaida in T-shirt. choreographic section.
We are now going to start Ek Tal and Teen Tal compositions section. All these compositions were taught by Guru Sandeep Pandit ji. Starting with Ek Tal. Ek Tal, 12-beat rhythmic cycle, 6 sections, 4 tali, 2 khanas. The thika goes like that. Din, din. धाओगी तेरे पीठ तू ना कर ता धाओगी तेरे पीठ थी ना. We are going to start with Amad. Usually we start our Tora Tukra section with Amad. Amad means Agaman. That is why usually we do this Amad at the beginning of our presentation. The Amad composed of bols ta, the, tat, generally set in vilambit leg. So, presenting Amad in Ek Tal. pakhwaj. So a little different from tabla bowls. And the nature of the bowls definitely stronger than tabla bowls, since these are pakhwaj bowls. So the character and the nature is very strong, powerful. So presenting a parrot in ekta, Drutal. excuse me for a minute. So, we are going to conclude our session today. Hope you liked it. We both are learning and trying to get inspired ourselves in widening our skills and visions on our art forms. During this COVID time, we are home for last 6 months. But never felt that we got stuck here. We discussed a lot about dance and music, and it helps us in churning our thoughts. That's what Adi says. His nickname is Adi. And another thing is that staying connected with our roots. So we feel deep gratitude to our gurus for showing us this path, for enhancing our way of lives. Here, I would like to introduce my husband, Shomo Roychoudhury, the man behind the camera who was helping me to set up everything from morning. So, Shomo, please.
Namaskar. Thank you for watching this program with us today. Hope you enjoyed it.
We would like to thank Sarvabharatiya Sangeet ও Sanskriti Parishad for arranging these sessions, one after another sessions during this pandemic situation. Hope all these efforts will help everybody in maintaining positive vibes through this isolation time. So everybody, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.